My rear door has not been closing correctly. I think it's has to do with this latch being so worn out, and probably also these cracks right here allowing too much play so that it can't fully engage the second latch. So I took some pity on you guys and I made this short little video on how to put this all back together, because it can be pretty frustrating. So first, note the orientation of these pieces. Try to get the light just right. There you go. So see how it's curved? That's the proper orientation. Okay, and I would recommend taping these up because they rattle like hell. So once you get it, so you'll take your right hand and put it in this hole, and you use that to get the lock rod all the way up there. And you want to take out the little plastic pieces up there. See that little black plastic piece? There's one on the top and one on the bottom, and that guides these lock rods. So you want to take those out so that you can easily move this up and down like that. So once you get this in place, now you can, hopefully you can still see this. Now you can take your lock actuator and pop the pins on. So it's not that hard with this technique, but it's really hard otherwise. So there you go. Now we've got these brass pins on to the lock rod. So I don't know if I'll be able to show you without dropping it again. And then there's just short bolts go here, long bolts go here. And you're done. Enjoy.